Hi, I'm Carolyn Goff of Breathing Space Professional Organizing, and this is Make Sense TV. Today I'm going to talk about one of the top reasons for clutter, paper, and how to deal with it. Despite technological advancements, people are still inundated with all types of paper. So how to deal with all that paper? Ask yourself these three questions. Number one, do I need to take any action on this incoming paper? Number two, should it be filed as reference material? Number three, if I throw this out, what are the worst repercussions? And can I live with my decision? You will need two types of filing systems to organize the paper: an action file and a reference file. Your action file should be a desktop hanging file system that needs to be kept handy and should be labeled with the following possible labels: to pay, to call, to buy, to schedule, to send, to do, to file. When dealing with bill payments, you may even go one step further and subdivide your bill paying by creating 5-week sections. File your bills into the week before they are due. Make sure you dedicate time weekly to bill payment and make sure the outgoing mail is mailed regularly. Have an action file for each family member. It's great for kids with projects or homeworks and other responsibilities. Your reference file can be a filing drawer or cabinet. As a general rule of thumb, you only ever refer back to kept documents 20% of the time. That means the remaining paper is redundant. Documents to keep and file are tax and accounting paperwork, legal documents, and bank statements. Financial documents, manuals, warranties, taxes, medical files, home repairs, etc. can be filed in your reference file. For about $100, you can purchase a hanging file, fire-related and lockable box that has label dividers for easy organizing and retrieval. Insurance papers, mortgage papers, loan documents, marriage licenses, your divorce decree, ownership titles for car and property, birth certificates, death certificates, passports, adoption papers, and copies of your will or power of attorney need to be stored in this protected container. Check with your accountant or tax preparer for the necessary papers you need to keep. Mail and junk mail can be easily conquered by sorting it out immediately. Don't let it pile up. Flyers and junk mail go into the recycle bin. Magazines, are you reading all of them? Can some subscriptions be canceled? Remember, it is wasted money if they just lay around not being read. Each month, read them and then move them on, either recycle them or give them away. Keeping back issues for reference takes up valuable space. Try cutting out the favorite article and keeping that only. High-quality magazines and periodicals can be referenced at your local library or possibly online. Keep your magazines contained in a basket or magazine holder. So once your systems are in place, 5 minutes daily is all it takes to stay on top of the paper deluge. Please check out my article on Are You Living Smart in the July-August edition of the Mompreneur magazine, available across Canada at Chapters and Indigo locations, for more ideas on how to bring a little breathing space into your life.
Today's episode is brought to you by Angie's List. At Angie's List, you'll find thousands of unbiased ratings on services for your home improvements, car repairs, and even doctors. Let Angie's List take away the guesswork. Find the service provider your neighbors give the highest rating. You can share your experiences on Angie's List too. Use Angie's List for ratings, reviews, and sometimes revenge. Join Angie's List and use promo code MAKE for 25% off.